So if your Tursion turns on, and the only thing that you get is the Android loading logo as it's scrolling by, and that's it. I'm going to show you how to get past this screen. What you need to do is hit that reset button again. I'm going to hold down the menu, home, and the power button at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to try this again. Okay, so you're going to get to this screen here. And what you need to do, because you'll get to the screen, it says keep your button finger on the power, and it says reboot. Let me zoom in. Reboot system now. Apply update from external storage. Wipe data factory. Reset. Wipe cache partition. Apply update from cache. Well, what you need to do from here is so you can move your finger from the power button is hit the down button, the volume, and you can go to the wipe data factory reset, and it's going to bring you to this screen here, and you have to scroll down using the volume buttons, and once you get done you just hit your home button and it'll format the data, format in the cache, data wipe complete, reboot system now. Just hit the power button if you want. It'll restart it. And this process here takes a while for it to load. So it's going to have the Android scrolling screen. And it should set it back up to factory default. So when it finally loads up, you'll be able to take in, you'll have to do the little finger thing and all this stuff. And just to show you that it's legit, we'll get to that screen. And it takes a while. You know, it might even just flash a little bit and then come back to the Android. Just gotta be patient. You might have just noticed it just about 5 seconds ago that it flashed. Sorry that this video is so long, but I want to show in full example that this thing is going to work after you done what I just showed you how to do it. From that same that screen, the menu, you can even update it from an SD card and a micro SD. So if you wanted to go that route, you can do that route as well. Okay, here's the button things you press to calibrate the screen. And there you have it. Back to factory settings. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this fixed your problem. If it did, leave me a comment or subscribe. I'll see you next time.